What's going on? It's Moody, aka Moody Moolah, the High Roller. What I want to do today in this video is I want to break down a takedown that I was able to make while I was training this past Sunday. We put on some gloves and we did some jujitsu, basically combat jujitsu, very light sparring. Very light striking, just to get awareness for when we're in combat situations. You can't just stay in half guard the whole time, because you're gonna get little hits to your face. Yeah, it was a good training session. I'm just gonna let you guys see the takedown that I was able to get on Dean. So let's get into it real quick. But yeah, that's the takedown right there. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I did to make it happen and everything Dean was doing to defend it. I'm just gonna run through that real quick. To start, me and Dean were just playing patty cake, a little touch and touch. I'm basically just distracting him so I can get in there and hug him. Want to give him a nice big hug. So pow, right there. You see my hand? You see my hand? I'm pushing his hand up. And the reason I'm not even trying to punch, I'm just pushing his hand up so I could shoot underneath him and get an underhook on his side, on his left side. So you're gonna see me do that real quick. But as well as the one on the left side, I try to get both, but it doesn't go my way. I see my shot, I take my shot, I try to hug him. He doesn't want me to hug him, so he tries to choke me out. I can't let him do that. He doesn't have any underhooks though, so I'm kind of safe. Right here, he tries to trip me, get the best of me, but I can't let that happen. So I try to bring him down. Boom, as I try to bring him down, he gets his leg out and tries to snap me down. Whoop. And now while that's happening, I'm shooting and I'm grabbing his leg. I'm getting a better grip on his the back of his leg again, but for the knee pick. You see I turn the corner here, boom. And that turn of the corner got him off balance a little bit, so I was able to get that. If you see that, boom, that helped me out a lot. And now I'm still in the headlock at this moment, but he lets me out of it right there. All right, yeah. So while I'm in this position, I get my head out, and I notice he's balancing with that leg that's in between my legs, his left leg. It's in between my legs, just preventing me from moving forward with what I'm trying to do. And so what I have to do is I have to take away his right side. Yeah, his right side, which is where my underhook is, because I have the underhook, and that's where the advantage is. So I attempt to try to knock the leg from underneath him, but I can't do anything at the moment because he's using his left leg to stop me from moving forward. Now, boom, I use my body and posture to get my leg, to keep him away, and as well swoop my leg over and get it back. Now from here, not really much. He could probably sprawl real hard or fish for the underhook, but it is kind of difficult because he's off balance. But if you guys have any ideas of what he could have did in this situation to get out of it, out of the takedown, definitely let me know in the comments, and we'll go over that in another video in the future. But yeah, so from here I'm just gonna use my left leg to use my left leg to take out his right leg by just a nice little sweep. I just kick in between and hook basically behind his knee or right underneath his at the top of his calf, and then I just use my body to bring him down nice and strong. But yeah, I hope this little breakdown was interesting to you, or you got something out of it. But yeah, until the next time, follow me on Instagram at Moody Moolah or Moody Moolah the High Roller. And if you guys got anything out of the video, drop a like on the video for me. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, if you have ways that you think Dean should have reversed it on me somehow during that exchange, definitely leave it in the comments. And yeah, until next time, peace out. I'll see you guys later.
Tap. You don't want to tap? You don't want to tap? Tap out.
better tap out. You gonna like, oh, just go to sleep.